Extraordinary Group. I'm Irene J. Sikiran, the leader and the Mendoy, the member of the group and the reporter. The member and the reporter. The member is Emerson Arpasco, the member and the reporter. This is EID, Extraordinary Investigative Documentary. Our discussion is about global warming cause effect. First, when global warming is said, what's the first word we think? This is the rise of the average of the temperature of the Earth's surface, the ocean surface, and the atmosphere. And we can see in these pictures that our Earth is destroyed. Not fully destroyed, but now we are destroying it. Good morning. Good morning. We have one people today that we can interview. Good morning. Good afternoon po. What can you observe po about the global warming at po illegal, mga illegal namin sa uncovered segregation sa beach Amparo? Yung malaking naidulot na kabawasan sa ating pangalawa, MRF na nakukonekta ang mga small garbage ng ating barangay. So, kung sa tulong, malaki na itutulong yun kung na naibigay sa segregation sa ating basura. Ito na lang po. Salamat po. Heated by land, water, and air, we have beautiful lakes, fresh air to relax, and clear water. We destroy our Mother Earth by cutting trees, throwing garbage anywhere in our rivers, canals, oceans, and seas. Use dynamite for fishing, smoke from vehicles and factories. Use chemical and poison from plants. These are the effects. So that we have destroyed our ozone layer, changing of climate, having flash floods, landslides, and have a tsunami. Causes improper segregation of garbage and undisciplined residents and officials.